Smoke billowing up out of either side, and there was the muscle coming out of it. And everybody wonders why he was the king.
Well, what's going on with the big end down there? Small fire, fireys are onto it. Look at the dedication and the passion.
Oh yeah, that was like a really, he's trying to crank that. I reckon that.
Yeah, I think that's steam.
Yep.
Saw a pipe actually fly up where all that sort of came from. Yeah, you're right, Gary, that's cool. It is now starting to water spout.
Yeah, he's lost the hose.
Go on, make some noise for him. Craig Wright.
That was from Sydney. That was probably a $5 figure or something stupid like that.
Exactly. Yep, spot on, spot on.
Hey guys, it's been a pretty good comp so far, but I really think we need to step it up.
Wow.
Great, do you think?
I think that's a bit hard, James. Come on.
I wouldn't say that if I didn't have something up my sleeve.
I know.
Right?
Absolutely.
Now, yesterday we saw the debut of a car that's undergone quite a few changes.